Alright, welcome back to Okami.
Well, what? I forgot what that thing is.
It's the canine tracker. We're looking for dogs.
Oh, okay. So does it change green when we're close to dogs? Or does
when
it just do
we're close
that?
to the canine warriors.
Or does it go like,
Oh, wait. Do I have food for you? I have one. Okay.
Can you go on a little doggy date?
Yes. Oops. That's you.
What's the dog doing here? If it's wagging its tail too, must be that canine tracker you have. What's that?
Give me some food. I'm hungry, bitch.
Fucking Boomhauer here.
Yeah.
Sheesh. What do these flea bags think you're gonna feed them?
Oh. Well, how do I give them food?
Maybe you have to like use food or something?
No. It's a big old dog.
Yeah. Well, is that a boxer?
Something like that. Big boxer.
So much praise. All of the praise.
Shin. I am full.
I am full.
Okay. Canine warrior Shin.
And how many of them are there?
9. This is our second one. I will return to my master. We're only gonna find.
You
like,
hear that, Annie?
We're only gonna find like 7.
Okay.
No, 5. Because the other 4 are a little bit further out.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
The canine tracker goes with him. Like, I'm still tracking.
Yeah.
He's right here.
That's you, Kev.
Oh yeah. Can you believe these guys?
Nope, that's it. Okay, cool.
Yeah, headbang to your heart's content, boy.
Product placement. All right, no.
You don't know what I opened.
I need to. Oh, here we are. Okay, I need to buy some food.
Yeah, them aluminum cans. Placing them products. Has he got like fruit in his cheeks or something?
Ooh.
What's that?
Ooh. It's an actual reflector.
Ooh. But it's like 100,000,
A
wasn't
lot.
it? It was like hella
I'm gonna get 10 of these.
for the doggies.
We open those. Sell some shit. Not those. Treasures.
Wooden bear.
Still don't have enough.
Well, how much is it? 50?
Yeah. 50,000.
Yeah, and we're at
What does the
33,000.
pinwheel do? Oh.
It's a souvenir.
I think it's part of a,
Yeah, they wouldn't put it in the game if you didn't use it for
I
something,
think
right?
it's a side quest.
That's what I figure. Well, I'll tell you what. Do you want to, like, fast forward the episode until you have 50,000 to go get that?
No, because it's not really an easy way to grind in this game.
Oh, okay.
Unless you go encounter demon
Tons of
skulls,
enemies.
and I don't want to do that. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know there was a map.
Oh, okay, that's how I sent it. Oh, okay. Thought maybe she had it marked or something.
Well, that's what the canine tracker's for.
Yeah, I can't remember how many dogs are in Kusa Village. We may be leaving a dog right now.
Ooh, what's the spark? Oh, wait, that's just a portal.
So he's out of the village. Oh, okay. Okay, no. So 5 of them are in the village.
Okay.
Let's do it, yeah.
Good answer.
Sorry, Asun. Thank you for keeping me on track. It's so weird and dark here before you finish the Gale Shrine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try up that hill.
Yellow. Alright, well there's
Well, it's been
Susanna.
yellow since you got to the
Pigs!
gate.
Pig.
What do you do with the pigs? You feed the
Feed
pigs?
pig.
What does a pig give you?
It gives you praise.
Oh, okay.
Remember? That's how you level up.
Oh, okay.
Or that's how you level up your abilities. There's not an actual, like, overall leveling
There's not a
system.
level system.
So today, we're recording a bunch because it's snowing. And fuck that shit.
I mean, it was fun.
Oh, no, it was fun, but, like, no, we do not need to go anywhere.
Yeah,
because we don't have the, equipment to not die.
Yep. I'm a Lyft driver. And
So fuck that.
yeah,
Oh, shit.
to hell with that noise.
But we took out our puppies. And
They had fun in the snow.
They did. Chickens!
You can check out our puppies on their Instagram page, which is
Shiba, Kita, Corgi, Monty.
with spaces in between.
Yeah, underscore.
Yes.
But yeah. So you've probably heard our dogs a lot because we have to keep editing them out because they won't stop playing while we record, and we aren't cool enough to have a specific
separate room to do that shit in.
Ooh, what is this?
So.
Oh, it's just special looking.
Oh, okay.
But I can go sell that.
Can you get in the box? Ooh, what do those do?
Ooh. There's when you get the wind power from the Gale Shrine.
Oh, do they like whip up and create a bridge?
And you can create. Oh, yeah, and it creates a bridge. It's pretty cool.
That's cool. Do you not already have the wind power? I thought we did.
No. Look. Nope.
Oh.
But yeah, so.
But you can create bombs.
I can. That doesn't help me. But so
Bombs
yeah,
are always...
we have
Oh,
puppies.
secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel. Yeah, we have a Shiba Inu named Kita. She's a brat. There's one.
She's full of sass.
Yes.
Wait, I thought it turned green. Why is it turning purple? Does it change colors depending on the dog it finds?
I don't know actually.
Because
That's a good
the last
question.
one had a green bandana, and this one's got a purple bandana.
Huh, I don't know. What's the dog doing here?
It's wagging its tail too.
That's the same
What's
dialogue
that? Blah
every
blah
time.
blah.
Give me some food, bitch. And then our other dog is a corgi named Monty.
And he is dumb and happy.
He's not dumb. He's brain damaged.
He's brain damaged.
He kept hitting his head on the bottom of the table as a puppy. He needs a helmet. But
he's a cuddler.
He's sweet. And he loves us. And he doesn't care about anything that's going on. He's just happy to be here.
I'm full. So what is this, a collie?
Question mark? Some kind of shepherd?
Yeah.
Fluffy thing?
Super fluffy.
I had to look this up because, I mean, they all have actual breeds that they're based on.
Can you leave those guys? Is he gonna say that every time?
Yes, the dialogue is the same every time we find a fucking dog. So if you didn't have one, you could just, like...
Pop one open?
Yeah.
Because I'm sure there was another one next to the other dog, right?
Probably somewhere. Oh, give me that. I don't need it, but give me that.
I keep
I wonder.
touching that.
Oh, that's... Damn it. Go away.
I remember my 8th grade summer.
What?
I was...
Where are you going with this?
the summer of 8th grade when I was... No. Summer of 12th grade. It was like between schools.
What?
It was
between 12th grade and 8th grade? That's a big
No,
jump.
summer between 8th grade and college. 12th grade and college. God damn it.
8th grade and college.
Shut up.
Okay.
I'm very advanced.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Uh-huh.
You can just sleep in chickens.
Can you pick them up?
Yes.
No.
I have a chicken! You're just kind of chilling. Why am I holding it by its
I was
butt?
saying, you're holding it by its, like, chest.
Oh, I think I got its legs.
Oh. Burp.
Alright.
So, but anyway, I mean, you mentioned product placement of woo. Okay, this is where you're supposed to be.
No, it's not. I mean, it's
this
not
is where you can be.
Yeah,
you didn't die.
No, I didn't die, but it's not where I wanted to go.
So,
placement.
I was sustained pretty much entirely for the whole summer on Mountain Dew Voltage, which is
That makes sense.
awesome. Yeah, that's kind of like a thing.
What, that you like Mountain Dew?
Yeah. So,
Chickens.
and I haven't had that in a really long time, I think.
You haven't.
And I'll bet, because the Voltage is always best. It's like a drug, you know. When you haven't had it for a really long time, it's the best. But if you have it like
Too much.
every day, it's like, I'm kind of tired of this. Just like a drug, right? You get tired of drugs.
I don't think that's how that works.
Chop rock. Rock chop.
No, didn't do anything. Okay.
Nothing.
Anyway.
Yeah. Ooh, that's ominous.
No, actually what I need to do is I need to get like a mat and offer them money and it gives me stuff. I'm not even joking.
Are they Jewish gods?
No. That's racist. Jewist.
Jewist?
Anyway. What were you saying about product placement?
Oh, yeah, that was it.
Oh, that was it?
Yeah.
That okay.
Yeah. Mountain Dew Voltage. Try it out.
Huh. I'm trying to figure out what that thing was over there.
What? That thing way up there on the bluff?
No, that pink thing over there.
Is it
I
top
think
of
it's
a flagpole?
flower.
Top of... Oh, well there's another one of there. Oh. Check out that shit, yo!
No, I knew this was up here, but that's not... Hey, look, it's the valley. That's cool. Okay. Who is that?
You ever been up here?
I mean, it's been a while since I played this game. The monkeys.
Those monkeys are frogs. They look like frogs.
They're monkeys. See?
Nom, 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 nom.
You can feed them like almost anything.
He's got a thing on his face.
Whoop. I keep pressing jump instead of talk.
I didn't think I'd be able to see it. My grandpa said he saw some kind of island floating in the sky. Surely that's impossible. Let me put this telescope to my forehead.
Yeah, really.
My grandpa said there's a land up there called the Celestial Plain. That's where all the great gods are supposed to be. Fall asleep. My whole head moves when I talk.
Oh.
Doop, 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 doop. Why is it getting narrower? Is that just me?
No, it's... Oh, no, it's a blockhead.
Oh.
Hello, blockhead. Aha! I am blockhead. Yarr. I can't do the fucking... Yeah, that...
I got this place to the on shall pass. Wait, I mean so that none shall pass.
Haven't I seen you before?
No! What are you talking about? I am the one and only blockhead.
You're really good at that.
And those who shall claim to otherwise are words. Are you trying to break through my outside defense? Ah! Impossible! Nothing can harm this body of mine. Not even this little crack on mine. There are clean... You're skipping words. I can't read.
Because we know what Blockhead does. He was in the other dungeon. Oof. Yes!
Oh! Yeah. Where are my weak points so obvious? I have failed, but let it be known that I died a warrior's death.
And he fucking explodes. Oh, there's no dog in here? God damn it.
Bullhorn. Very different from today's bullhorns.
Jesus Christ, dude. Are you sure you should be drinking that fucking carbonated soda?
Avoiding project. Oh, look, it's snowing some more.
It has not stopped
Yeah,
snowing.
but I know it's like snowing harder now.
Yeah. Maybe we'll check the dogs out again.
Well, they're quiet and asleep right now.
Yeah, they're very much asleep.
That was the goal. Yeah, we've been having a lot. Oh, this again. Yeah. Why are you zigzagging? You don't have a parachute, do you? What? That was dumb.
Oh no, I missed. Damn.
Yeah, you missed. You were way far away from that.
Shut up.
Like, that wasn't remotely close.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so... Okay, no dogs over there.
Oh, wait, was there a bridge? Or was that
No,
to where you just went?
it went to the little statues.
Mm.
Damn it.
Doesn't water hurt you?
It doesn't hurt me, but I can't stay in water for very long before drowning.
Oh, okay.
There's like the little...
It's not like you're a god or anything like that.
I'm the god of the sun.
Uh-huh.
Sun doesn't like water.
You know what the sun does do?
Evaporate water?
Fly.
How do you know I don't get flying soon?
Do you?
Okay, there's the dog that's in the rock. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at the red pandas! I think no, they're not red pandas, they're tanukis. They're fucking what do
You know, I've
tanukis
never
like?
actually I didn't know that was a real thing.
Oh, okay. They're fucking tanukis.
Yeah,
I did not know that.
They're like raccoons. They eat meat.
Yeah. When raccoons eat
Everything.
trash pandas.
But they like meat.
Trash pandas. Fucking tanukis. That's hilarious. Like last time I played through this game, I didn't know what a tanuki was. Oh, I found another one. Oh, I bet he's in the hole right there. Yeah, it's soon. I get it.
Big ass bomb.
Shut up. Look at him.
You want to blow up the side of this mountain? Or do you want to just remove it from the earth entirely?
Look at him. Give me food, I'm hungry, bitch.
So this is a Dalmatian?
No, Dalmatians don't look like that.
Oh.
Hound. It's some kind of hound.
Yeah.
Look at him. Either they're big dogs or Amy is a small wolf.
Yeah. I mean, hounds can get pretty big.
Yeah, but wolves are fucking huge. I am full.
He doesn't look like a warrior.
Do any of the big fat fucking...
Fluffy one?
Yeah, the big fluffy one. Did that look like a warrior?
Not really.
Okay, so now we're gonna talk to Fuse.
It's nice that it tells you that.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna smash all this stuff and then we're gonna go talk to Fuse next time on OTG.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys had fun.
One more. Okay. Bye.
Alright, property damage accomplished.